you got the right equipment that gonna tune me right.
Be sure to check out CarAudioConnect.com and shop BASSWITHKEV.com for top car audio brands. I appreciate your support.
That bitch up in his buzz, bitch. I thought I told you this. Some motherfuckers stick 'em up. I'm kicking like a lunatic, 'cause I'm done with that devil shit. I'm in the front to kick it, can I kick it, bitch? Like my niggas get it, don't make me turn this to no damn murder. I make some fuckers.
Oh, you want? Hey, let you got some more? You got some more? Yep. Let's see where this one goes. Might go. Hope I don't go no trouble with it. Pushing their weight from state to state. Niggas flying dirty on my mobile phone. As you can MCs and people still going. I got a pocket full of you running here, man? I got 12 Soundqubed HDX3 12s on 6 Soundqubed 4500 to half on repair.
Yes, the back still open?
Yeah, back still open.
I'm gonna go back there and check out.
I got 8 Defmont 6.5 Arnolds in the door, Neos, on 4 Defmont 4.320s.
Let them know they can get some work like this here.
Everything come from my shop.
Let them know they can find you if they want to come get it.
SRE Customs in Olive Branch, Mississippi.
Y'all be sure to come on down, get some of the good work. I'm gonna tag them down below. It's good seeing you, Jeff.
You too, man.
Yes, sir, man. Thing looking good as usual, too.
Thank you. So,
I'll be waiting on us.
You got the right equipment that gonna tune me right.
Be sure to check out CarAudioConnect.com and shop BASSWITHKEV.com for top car audio brands. I appreciate your support.